नमस्ते, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल डिवाइन डिनरो। हम अपनी फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स या रिलेटिव्स में किसी न किसी को जानते होंगे जो कि पेचेक टू पेचेक जीता है। एंड यूजुअली लोग वो नहीं होते जिनकी इनकम बहुत कम है। दीज आर द पीपल हु आर मेकिंग ओके अमाउंट ऑफ मनी, स्टिल लिविंग पेचेक टू पेचेक। पर क्यों? बिकॉज दे डोंट डू बजटिंग, दे डोंट प्लान देयर पेचेक रूटीन्स। एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव क्रिएटेड दिस वीडियो टू एजुकेट यू अबाउट different paycheck routines. So I have created 3 sample paycheck routines so that every rupee that you make has a meaningful purpose. So let's get started with the first paycheck routine. This paycheck routine is for people जिनके loans हैं but home loan नहीं है, emergency fund है to cover some emergencies. You have emergency fund worth 2 to 3 months of your living expenses. Not too great, not too bad. So first step that you need to do is list down all your income. आपकी इनकम, आपके स्पाउस की इनकम, कोई साइड की है उससे इनकम। सेकेंड स्टेप इज लिस्ट ऑन योर एसेंशियल एक्सपेंसेस, फूड, रेंट, यूटिलिटीज, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन। थर्ड स्टेप, पे योर EMIs and any credit card due that you have. You have to make sure that every month you are paying your EMIs on time so that your credit score doesn't take a hit. Now moving to the fourth step, once you have paid off your EMIs, you are left with some money. You don't need to save this money at this point. This might sound counterintuitive why I am telling you to not to save, because at this point आपकी इनकम में से EMIs एक अच्छा खासा चंक ले जा रही हैं, and you need to get rid of those EMIs. You need to pay off those loans fast. That's why आपके पास जो बचता है, start putting that money into your loans so that you can close these loans early. Now moving on to the second paycheck routine, which is for people जिनके कोई और लोन नहीं है, एक होम लोन है and they have an emergency fund worth to cover 6 to 8 months of living expenses. So आपने decent saving कर रखी है. So the first step is common. Again, list down all your income. Second step, again list down all your essential expenses. Third step, again pay your EMI. Fourth step, which is where it is a bit different. At this point, you need to start thinking about saving for your retirement. If you are a salaried employee, you will have a PF, but that PF alone will not suffice at the time of retirement. So you need to start investing extra. So as a rule of thumb, you need to save at least 15% of your income for your retirement. Rest you can do a retirement planning, plan how much corpus you will need at the time of retirement based on your monthly living expenses. And on basis of that, start saving for your retirement. Post retirement planning, आपके पास जो funds बचते हैं, use those funds to pay off your home loan so that you can close this home loan early and move on with other expenses in life. So moving on to the third paycheck routine, which is for people who have paid off their home loans as well. They have a decent amount of emergency fund, no loans. Now you are quite ahead in your financial journey, but आपको budgeting skip नहीं करनी है. Budgeting is for life. So again, step 1, list down all your income. Step 2, list down all your essentials. Step 3, EMI आपकी नहीं है, credit card bill है, pay that. Step 4, continue with your retirement planning. Step 5, here things get bit good for you. So at this point you have paid off all your loans. Now you have earned the luxury to spend on your dreams. Let's say you always wanted to take a trip to Europe for a month. Start saving for that. Plan for that. You always wanted to buy a BMW. Now you are making decent amount of money. You have the funds. Save, invest, go ahead with that purchase. At this point of time, you should be looking at expenses which really make you happy and fulfill your inner happiness. And life is not all about saving and investing. Life is also about being happy and content in your life. So if you like this video, please follow Divine Dinero. Thank you.